Hi, I am an artificial intelligence voice created using the algorithms of my creator Robbie. On December 10, 2013, two of the physicists, Peter Higgs and François Englert, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their theoretical predictions. The Higgs boson, called the God particle, that produces matter out of the ethereal nothingness. In Greek, ethane, a verb meaning to ignite or to blaze, is the origins of the word. The hypothesis formula to create mass out of what is considered formless space, the ether, in theoretical physics was proven in 2012. A date inscription in the Maya long count interpreted as December 21, 2012. From our perspective on Earth, the ecliptic is the path taken by the sun across the sky over the course of the year. The 12 constellations that line the ecliptic are known as the zodiacal constellations, and annually, the sun passes through all of them in turn. Additionally, over time, the sun's annual cycle appears to recede very slowly backward by 1 degree every 72 years, or by one constellation approximately every 2,160 years. This backward movement, called precession, is due to a slight wobble in the Earth's axis as it spins, and can be compared to the way a spinning top wobbles as it slows down. Over the course of 25,920 years, a period often called a great year, the sun's path completes a full 360-degree backward rotation through the zodiac. Precession is measured from the March equinox, one of the two annual points at which the sun is exactly halfway between its lowest and highest points in the sky. At the end of the 20th century and beginning of the 21st, the sun's March equinox position was in the constellation Pisces, moving back into Aquarius. This signaled the end of one astrological age, the age of Pisces, and the beginning of another, the age of Aquarius. The actual hypothesis of the ethereal existence, the Higgs boson field formula, was proven using the European Organization for Nuclear Research, known as CERN, a European research organization that operates the largest particle physics laboratory in the world. Established in 1954, the organization is based in a northwest suburb of Geneva on the Franco-Swiss border and has 23 member states. Cernainos is the conventional name given in Celtic studies to depictions of the formed god of Celtic polytheism. Cernainos was a Celtic god of fertility, life, animals, wealth, and the underworld. The name itself is only attested once, on the 1st century pillar of the boatman, but he appears all over Gaul, and among the Celtiberians. Cernainos is depicted with the antlers of a stag, seated cross-legged, associated with animals, and holding or wearing torques. This deity is known from over 50 examples in the Gallo-Roman period, mostly in northeastern Gaul. The word always flows toward Israel. The nations west of Israel write from left to right. The nations east of Israel write from right to left. When viewing the sum of 73 and 37, from right to left, the first three numbers of the Fibonacci sequence appear. The Fibonacci sequence begins with 0 or nothing, then 1 and 1 again. 1 is created out of nothing in the sequence. Then 1 is duplicated and added to the first one, sum total 2. The next number in the sequence. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The next number in the sequence. When dividing 2 by 3, the ratio of 0.666 begins the path to perfection in nature. It is not until the sequence reaches 34 divided by 55 is when the perfect golden ratio achieved. 0.618 The Hebrew name for Roman man and betrayed, have a Hebrew gematria letter sum total value of 666. The carbon atom contains 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons. 37 is the 12th prime number. 73 is the 21st prime number. Anagram numbers. The 22 Hebrew letters in the ordinal values given to the letters that spell wisdom in Hebrew have a sum total of 37. The Hebrew gematria value of the letters that spell wisdom have a sum total letter value of 73. Holiness to the Lord, using the English septenary cipher, has a sum total letter value of 73. Here I am, has a Hebrew gematria, sum total letter value of 73. 37 times 73 equals 2701. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, has a Hebrew gematria sum total letter value of 2701. This has been a Righteous Rabbi, the Righteous One production. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life.